If you've ever hosted a holiday party, you know the hardest part can be when it comes to baking dessert.
But bringing on the sweets doesn't need to be more stressful than the party itself. That's something the dessert ladies know all too well. For nearly a decade, the mother-daughter duo has been designing and baking unique sweets for all occasions.
And guess what? Joining us now are the dessert ladies themselves, Geraldine and Lindsay Keogh. Welcome, ladies, to the show.
Thank you for having
us. We're so excited
the setup
to be
is
here.
Beautiful and looks so delicious. But before we get to this, how did the concept of the dessert ladies come about?
Well, we love eating, so that was the first step. That was criteria one. And then we just really love fun displays, and she's baked forever. And so we just combined our love for fun packaging and then display stuff as well. So it was an easy concept to delve into quickly. So
you say it's an easy concept, but you guys are the only you're the only and first mother-daughter team of dessert bar event planners in the country. What do you like most about the dessert bar concept? Because it's growing more and more at events.
Right. It is. What we like is we believe dessert should be enjoyed. So to have small bites. Don't have to eat the whole big thing, but have small bites. And that's what we specialize in, because this way you can go down a dessert bar and you can try different things and you can move on until you find something that you really like or you've had enough. So I feel like it's a great way of doing dessert. And that's what we've done here with some of our options that we have in front of you.
The presentation's incredible.
And the holidays are upon us, so which of these are sort of the best-selling items?
Apple pie is always a favorite, but you just don't want to put an apple pie out and serve it with fresh cream or with some ice cream. So we decided to give you some options as to how to serve pie that little bit different, and again give people some choices. So we have our dessert pie shooter. We've already taken the fresh cream and the pie, mixed it together so that you can eat it all at once and really enjoy it. And then we also have pumpkin pie served the same way, and lemon meringue pie.
These are your shooters.
Shooters, yeah.
What are these things? They look incredible.
So these guys are her own special creation. So we call these guys champagne shooters.
Champagne.
Because for those champagne glasses that you're not really using, so why not break them out? And this way, it's a fun way to serve them. It's festive, and then they're to go, so people can kind of walk around and enjoy them. So just in case you don't have enough seating, this is the perfect way to serve your dessert.
And so cute for New Year's, especially for kids who
Very
can't
good
have
point.
champagne.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So special. A little bit of white chocolate on the rim, and then dip it in a sprinkle or a different color sanding sugars, and you have a little bit of bling on the top of that.
I love the bling. And you ladies are already predicting a flavor for 2020.
We are.
Big time, yeah.
What
So this is her own Irish creation that she's brought over with us. So go ahead, Mom.
All right. I believe banoffee should be the flavor of 2020. It's a combination of banana and toffee with some fresh cream on it in a very delicious flaky crust. And that's what we have out here. These are our banoffee pies.
You get your fruit serving, your chocolate serving, everybody's happy.
Everything,
yes.
Which I think are very big in the UK, but maybe not as mainstream in the US.
Exactly.
So when it becomes popular, we'll credit it to you.
Thank you. Hashtag dessert ladies.
So do you guys have any baking tips for those who are kind of undergoing the baking this season, but maybe aren't used to creating the desserts?
Definitely. So the nice thing about this sort of serving presentation is you can pre-bake it, and you're not worried about a sweaty oven when everybody's running around the kitchen. So pre-bake your pies, put them in the fridge so that they set, and then take them out, pop them upside down to cut them, and then pop them into whatever fun serving glasses that you have. Put them in the fridge, and you're done. No more stress.
And then when your meal is over, you go to your fridge, you pull them out, and you serve them, and you look like the queen that you are.
Baking
That you are. That's right.
I love that.
Any personal favorites that you like to bake at home?
Actually,
I can't bake at all. So that's
really?
Yeah, I do. This is my realm. This is my realm of design, but she's her baker extraordinaire.
But it's like this shoemaker's kids. A lot of the time we have Dove bars for Christmas.
Yeah, we'll have ice cream.
We forget
baked
about
it
our
out.
own
So.
but our personal favorites are always. We try to come up with new flavors, and we try them out in our family, and we let them. My husband's very he'll give us the honest truth whether we like something or he doesn't. So we use his word and his judgment as pretty standard.
I love that job.
Right, the big cake taster. Yeah. It's probably these guys here, which is a hit with everybody in our family. Right. So from 2 to 92, these guys are a crowd pleaser. So it's chocolate cake, fudge, and brownie all mixed together and then dipped in chocolate. And now we figured out a way to be able to ship them nationwide. And so if you don't want to make dessert, call us. We'll send it to you.
So if people are interested, how do they do that?
Just go online to dessertladies.com or to bncc.com.
All right, the dessert ladies, Geraldine and Lindsay Keogh, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
And now we'll start eating.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.